The importance of having a first class CGPA in our society cannot be overemphasized because it gives you social reconnections and it opens you to a world of endless opportunities. And that is why today in this video we'll be discussing the secrets that will help you achieve the first class CGPA as a university student. So go and grab your pen and your book, because in this video I'm going to share essential tips that you won't get even in your school orientation. Before we continue, my name is Basi Ejogba. I'm a 400 level student in the University of Calabar studying medical laboratory science, and in my channel I help students level up their academic games. If you love content like this, don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so you can continue getting updates anytime I drop videos like this. And just like I've said in this video, today I'm going to share you some tips that will help you come out with a first class CGPA. Now, how can we calculate our CGPA? Now, calculation of CGPA, if you are coming directly from secondary school, know that the university deals with a concept that is known as CGPA. Now, what is CGPA? CGPA is simply the cumulative grade points average. Now, calculating your CGPA is simply adding up all your grade points, summing up all your grade points, then dividing it by the total credit unit you have taken. So I will talk about it subsequently in my next video, how you can calculate your CGPA. Just add all the points that you got, all your grade points in each of the courses that you have taken. Then you add it by the total credit, the credit unit that you are doing that particular semester. So that will help you get your cumulative grade points, which is your CGPA. So that will be my next video when I will teach you how you can calculate it. But how can I have this first class CGPA is what I will show you today. And number one on the list is that you have to be able to understand the concept of time management. Being able to manage your time as someone who wants this first class CGPA is very, very important. Now, managing your time is essential, but a lot of students it's essential but underrated. Because a lot of students don't even know how their time goes. They get to find out that you go on, check on their status, you see people complaining that 24 hours is not enough. But inside of 24 hours, a lot of people have been using it to maximize their day and get a lot of knowledge. You understand? So if you want to have a first class, then you will be able to manage how your time. Check out your times. Check out what is actually eating up your time. Check it whether it's important. If it's not important, cut it off. You understand? So you must be able to manage your time from when you wake up to when you go to lectures, from when you finish your lectures and go to the library, and when you come back. You must be able to know this time and manage it effectively. The second on the list is that you must have a study technique. But now we are not just having a study technique, you are having an effective study technique. There are a lot of effective study techniques, like using the Pomodoro techniques, by using the active learning, by using the active recall, the review and adjust method. So I'll be talking about this effective technique in my videos, which I'll be talking about, and continuously I'll be talking about them. So by having an effective study strategies will really help you achieve this CGPA. Now you have to notice that a lot of schools, the method of some schools deals with the 5.0 system of CGPA. You understand? CGPA classification. While some schools do with the 6.0 and some do with the 4.0. So it's very, very important that you understand the method of classification your school is using. The third on the list is that you must always have an attendance and participation in your class activities. Attendance is very, very important, you understand, because at least when you attend a lecturer class, you are going to get what the lecturer is saying. And some lecturers, they don't actually give out materials, and there are some things they will say physically, you understand, that will not be included in their material. So your attendance and participation in class activities should also be top notch. Don't always isolate yourself or hide yourself whenever your class are having a group work. Always make sure you are in the forefront and make sure you are very, very active. The fourth on the list is that you must be able to leverage resources. Leveraging resources in the library, leveraging resources with your phone. You understand? Any way you can get resource that will help you in your study or in your reading time, then make sure you use it effectively. If you cannot access the library, then there are senior colleagues who have done the course that you are doing, who have been in that particular level. Meet them, make friends with them, and they will help give you these materials which will help in your study. The fifth on the list is that you must prioritize your health, because they say health is wealth. Understand? So you must make sure you take care of your health, which is very, very important. When you are feeling sick, make sure you visit the hospital for diagnosis, which is important. Diagnosis before treatment. You understand? So always make sure you take care of your health. The number 6 is that you must imbibe the spirit of consistency over cramming. It's important to enjoy the process. It's important to enjoy the progress than perfectionism. You understand? So you must always imbibe the spirit of consistency. So you must be able to imbibe the spirit of consistency. There's a proverb, or should I say an adage ahead that says, I am more afraid of a man who does one thing 10 times than a man who does 10 things in one time. You understand? So you must always imbibe the spirit of consistency in whatever you do. Consistency will help prevent you from cramming. You understand? So the number 7 on the list is exam strategies. For every exam you want to write, there are strategies you must follow in order to excel in that particular exam. You must be able to know first of all, you must know how your exam questions are being set. You must know whether it's OBJ, you must know whether it's subjective or it's a theory-based exam. And after knowing the nature of your exam, you must source for past questions, source for syllabus or course outline, which will be very, very helpful. You can meet your senior colleagues for them to give you tips because they've already been in that level that you are. Number 8 is that you must use the feedback loop. You understand? For every progress you make and for every mistake you make, you will get to see it when you are having your feedback. Your feedback can get your feedback from yourself. You can also get your feedback from friends and family, from your course mates who will surely acknowledge the progress you are making. And number 9 on the list is that you can set motivations and goals. You understand? And your goals must be smart. What I mean by smart is specific, measurable, achievable, and relevant time goals. By having a smart goals, it will help keep you motivated to continue achieving whatever you have set up for yourself. And whenever you achieve what you have set up for yourself, don't forget to reward yourself nicely. And that is just it. These few secrets that will help you achieve a first class CGPA in the university. The first on the list is that you must understand the concept of time management. The second on the list is that you must have an effective study technique. The third is attendance and participation. The fourth is by leveraging resources. The fifth is by prioritizing your health. 6 is consistency over cramming. 8 is by having an effective exam strategies, which I've spoken about. Number 8 is by having a feedback loop either internally or from friends and family. Number 8 is motivations and goals. If you love this video, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so I can continue getting updates anytime I drop videos like this. And please don't also forget to share this video to your friends so that they can come here and get value. And also to help push this video to a larger audience, please don't forget to hit on the like button, because when you hit on the like button, it's going to trick the YouTube algorithm to share this video to a lot of people, to show people that this video, a lot of people want it, and it's going to share it to people who are also eager to achieve a first class CGPA. But before I go, remember that achieving a first class CGPA gives on consistency, it gives on progress, and also gives on sacrifices that you'll be ready to make. Until I see you in my next video, remember that you're wonderful, remember that you're unique, remember that you're a pace setter. I really love you.